In a historic first and Supreme Court's a big transparency move amid Justice Verma's cash controversy. At least 21 Supreme Court judges make their asset details public. This marks an important step towards increasing transparency and public confidence in judiciary. Declarations of Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna and 20 other judges have been uploaded online. We're joined by Nupur on this. Nupur, a significant move to promote judicial transparency. Take us through the details of the information published. We know that appointment details have been published, and now, of course, asset details of several of the judges have also been uploaded.
Well, Radhika, this is in fact one step towards more transparency by the top court. Remember, on April 4, the top court had put out a press release and had said that the full court has passed resolution that the judges will, in fact, on voluntarily basis, they will, in fact, be disclosing their assets. Now, yesterday night, there have been at least 21 judges who have disclosed publicly, the Supreme Court judges, including the sitting Chief Justice of India. And in fact, the next Chief Justice, who is set to take oath just next week, Justice B.R. Gavai, they have in fact uploaded every single detail of their assets, which includes the gold they have, the family assets, the properties, the number of investments, the shares they have, and in fact, every possible thing that they could disclose with regards to their assets and liabilities is now on the public portal of Supreme Court website, and it's for public to access freely. Now, along with this, they have also decided to make the collegium process more transparent, whereby now, previously also, the collegium used to give out press releases of the names recommended and what the center has approved. We used to get all the information, but now, in a big development, the Supreme Court has decided to make public the state's response to its recommendation. Every stage, every detail will be now available for the public scrutiny. Remember, there have been previously many voices from all across the country saying that the judges, it is always relatives of the judges that are becoming judges. There have been allegations of nepotism and favoritism when it comes to collegium appointing judges. Now, this is in fact a very big development and a big move by the Supreme Court, especially after the incidents of Justice Yashwant Verma, where after a fire incident broke out, debris of cash was allegedly found at his residence, official residence. And now the Supreme Court has in fact decided that everything will be made public. Remember, this portal, this provision was already there. Every High Court also have this section. Some judges have already disclosed their, across India, High Court judges, some of them have already uploaded their details. Supreme Court website also had this portal, but since it is voluntary, it is not mandatory. No judge had uploaded this until now. But after April 4, now full court has decided. The Supreme Court in yesterday night's press release has made it clear that it has disclosed the asset information received from several of its judges, and remaining will also be uploaded as soon as they are received from the judges. Remember, 11 judges are yet to upload their details. There are total 33 sitting judges at present in the Supreme Court, and at least 21 have made every asset public.
All right, so timing of this certainly significant there. Nupur comes amid Justice Verma cash row. A lot of questions had been raised on judiciary. Certainly, this transparency seems to be the need of the hour. Thank you for getting us all of those details.